Welcome to Mote Marine Lab's Looe Nursery. Looe is our largest and oldest open ocean or in situ nursery. It is located within close proximity to one of the Lower Keys' most iconic coral reefs, Looe Key Sanctuary Preservation Area. Mote grows corals using structures called coral trees. They are called coral trees because of the branch-like structures which are used to hang corals in the water column. Coral trees are an important development in coral restoration because their ability to suspend corals off of the sand increases coral skeleton development, which means faster growth for the corals. You may notice throughout the video that these coral trees vary in design based on their function and type of coral that they grow. Corals in the nursery are organized by their genetics, meaning every coral hanging from the same coral tree is genetically identical to one another. To identify the genotypes coral trees hold, we place tags around the trunks of the trees. As of 2020, the Looe Nursery holds over 165 genotypes of staghorn coral. This includes 35 unique genotypes of sexual recruits from recent spawning events. Our staff maintain 2 trees of each genotype at all times, which might explain the row formatting you see in the nursery. As you can see, trees are placed across from their genotype replicate so that it's easy to find them. Mote Marine Lab also works with another acroporid species called Elkhorn Coral. We have 15 elkhorn trees and counting. While closely related to the staghorn, you'll notice that elkhorn look more like the palm of your hand and are less branchy. Lockpile structures are helpful to help orient yourself in the nursery. They also attract a lot of fish. Here you see one of our older coral trees. Instead of hanging corals, like our staghorn and elkhorn trees, these corals are placed on pucks, which are then attached to the top of tree branches. You can still see some of the epoxy used to attach some of these recently fragged, massive coral species. However, when they get larger, they will grow over the epoxy and begin to move towards the outside of the puck. Our spawning trees bear larger corals in fewer numbers. These corals have a special purpose. They will grow large enough to spawn and help our scientists study coral reproduction. Overall, our Looe Nursery has 43,560 square feet. Come on in and see for yourself on your dive in the Looe Nursery. Or maybe you'll see some of our outplanted corals, like these 2-year-old coral outplants of staghorn coral located in Sand Key in Key West.